This is actually Freya apples which we are picking now, and it's time to harvest them. Freya! Well, these Freya, they look absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful apple, it tastes really nice, and it's also producing very well for its first years. So this is the third season that we're picking them, and yeah, we have quite a nice yield, so that's really good. And we also still leave a lot hanging for a second pick, as the color is not completely there, so we're picking out the really red ones at this moment. And in about 1.5 weeks we'll come back to pick all the rest of the Freya. But the bin so far looks really nice. It's a really nice apple.
Als het voor jou echt zo werkt, dan zou het zomaar kunnen gewoon even vandaan. Ik ga de knop drukken. Ja, ik zit er lekker uit. En kan je ook weten dat het voor eerst dat geld is, misschien wel even goed.
You can just hear, if you're touching the apples, how all the other apples react. They are really hard apples, and that's also why we hear them that much. So if you just touch one a little bit, we can already hear that sound.
see you. I can see you. I can see you with my closed eyes. I can see you. I can see you. I can see you with my closed eyes.